Need to access a business-in-a-box BPDX document template for your business? These contain professional business document templates. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these business-in-a-box document files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling BPDX files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. A user searching for .bpdx has likely downloaded or received a template from the business-in-a-box software suite. Their intent is to open and edit this professional template, such as a contract or business plan, but they may not have the required software installed, prompting a search for a viewer or editor. The .bpdx format is a proprietary container, likely a compressed archive, similar to .docx, holding the document's text, formatting, images, and metadata. This design allows Biztree to package complex templates with rich formatting and placeholder fields, ensuring they render correctly within the business-in-a-box application. Official support for BPDX is primarily provided through Business-in-a-Box from Biztree Inc. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows interprets only basic document elements, so advanced editing must occur in a full-featured editor. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your BPDX file and click Open With. Test with Business-in-a-Box first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If your BPDX file is not opening yet, that is normal. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the BPDX problem. First, opening in Business-in-a-Box. Install Business-in-a-Box software from biztree.com. Launch the application and browse the template library, or use File then Open to load the BPDX file. The software opens the template with placeholder fields enabling customization with your business information for professional document generation across all business categories. Next, converting to Word. Within Business-in-a-Box, export BPDX templates to Microsoft Word format using the export function. The Word document opens in Microsoft Word LibreOffice Writer or any compatible word processor for further editing. This enables continued document customization without requiring Business-in-a-Box for ongoing editing workflows. Finally, customizing templates. Use Business-in-a-Box's template customization features to fill in your company information automatically across all templates. Set up your business profile with name, address, logo, and other details. The software applies these to BPDX templates, reducing repetitive data entry across multiple business documents. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.